All right, I'm about to get my barbecue fix on, but I just wanted to show you the layout of the place. I'm actually downstairs, and I actually like this. The layout upstairs is nice, but this one, I'm liking it. I'm very much liking it, and I like the football helmets up there. You got the Gators. Got Ole Miss. Got I think that's Tennessee up there. And let's see, what was that? Let's see. Yeah, you got LSU. Go Tigers. All right. And I am. I like it. I like this very much. So anyway, what I got is these are dry rub ribs right now, and it's got a side of coleslaw and a side of baked beans. Now, you can't have barbecue without coleslaw, right? So anyway, and they said these have already been cut, so all I have to do is just pull them off. All right, so let's see. Oh yeah, oh. Wow. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm liking it. Tell you this, I'm liking it. The seasoning is incredible. And it's got the meat has a nice little pull to it, which gives it the interesting texture amount. I mean, I thought this was, man. You know what? One thing about dry rub. Sometimes when you have barbecue, if you get a dry rub, sometimes they have little sides of barbecue right here. You know, you have. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. Whoop, hello, camera. So we got just a little barbecue, little side barbecue. However, really, that's unnecessary. With these ribs, gotta be careful here because my hands are a little dirty. They're a little messy from those. Let's see. There we go. All right, stay.
How was everything so far?
Well, so far so good. I mean, I'm enjoying this. I really am. You don't even need a side of barbecue sauce on the side. So, and it is practically falling off the bone right now. It's not too smoky. But it also has that. It does have that type of charcoal taste about it. And here, hold on. I'm gonna take a little bit from the top. And the seasoning, the dry rub on top. That is absolutely incredible. I have to agree. This is one of the better barbecue ribs I've had in a long time. Let's give a try to the. Let's see. Let's give a try to the coleslaw. Oh wow. With mustard. It's got some vinegar in it. I thought it was going to be like vinegar based. However, they actually put mustard in it, and which gives it a nice little kick in the back. I'm gonna have to try this. If the baked beans. Baked beans also has a little kick to it as well. Man, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this. I mean, you know, you cannot. This is excellent. This is wonderful. Anyway, I'm just gonna finish enjoying this. So till next time. And like I said, my fingers are getting a little dirty now. So until next time, I'm still gonna be trying the barbecue. This is Memphis now. I'm gonna be trying the barbecue in Nashville next. And so until then, cheers, y'all.